Section 1. Easy English, start talking. Learning English is exciting, especially when you start speaking. It's a new adventure that opens up countless opportunities. It's normal to feel a little nervous at first, but don't worry. Everyone feels that way when they start something new. The key is to start with simple conversations and easy topics. Talk about the weather, your favorite foods, or what you did over the weekend. When you begin with what you know, you'll feel more comfortable practicing your English. Familiar topics make it easier to find the right words. Remember, every English speaker started as a beginner, so be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. It's a journey, not a race. Start with familiar topics like your favorite foods, hobbies, or daily routines. These are things you talk about every day, so they are perfect for practice. Talking about things you already know makes it easier to find the right words. You'll feel more at ease and your confidence will grow. Don't be afraid to use simple sentences. Simple is effective and it's a great way to start. It's better to speak clearly and simply than to worry about making complex sentences. Clear communication is the goal. Every small step you take builds your confidence and helps you become a more fluent English speaker. Each conversation is a step forward. As you gain confidence, you can gradually challenge yourself with slightly more advanced topics. Start talking about your plans for the future or your opinions on different subjects. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and it's okay to start with small steps. Each step, no matter how small, is progress. The most important thing is to practice speaking as often as possible. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. So, find a conversation partner, relax, and start chatting your way to English fluency. Enjoy the process, and remember that every conversation is a chance to improve. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each step forward is an achievement. Keep talking, keep learning, and enjoy the journey. Section 2. Fun and easy topics. Let's chat. Choosing interesting topics is key to enjoyable English conversations. What do you like to talk about in your native language? Think about your favorite foods, hobbies, or interesting experiences. These topics are great conversation starters. Do you love pizza, sushi, or maybe a traditional dish from your country? Talking about food is a fun way to learn new words and share your culture. Do you enjoy playing sports, watching movies, or listening to music? Sharing your passions can lead to engaging conversations. Did something funny or exciting happen to you recently? Personal stories are always interesting to listen to. Remember, the goal is to relax, have fun, and practice speaking English naturally. When you're genuinely interested in the topic, the words will flow more easily. Don't worry about making mistakes. They're a natural part of the learning process. Embrace the opportunity to practice and improve your English conversational skills while having a good time. Section 3. Asking the right questions. Keep talking. Asking questions is like magic for conversations. It keeps the conversation going and helps you learn more about the other person. Start with simple questions using what, where, when, who, why, and how. For example, if someone mentions they love pizza, you could ask, "What's your favorite kind of pizza?" Or, "Where's the best place to get pizza around here?" These questions show you're interested and encourage them to share more. If you're talking about hobbies, you could ask, "How long have you been playing guitar?" Or, "What's your favorite song to play?" Remember to listen carefully to their answers and respond naturally. Asking follow-up questions based on what they say shows you're paying attention and genuinely interested in the conversation. The more you practice asking questions, the more natural and engaging your English conversations will become. Section 4. You can do it! Speak English! Speaking English is like riding a bike. It gets easier with practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they're learning something new. The important thing is to keep practicing and not give up. Find a language partner, join a conversation group, or talk to English speakers online. The more you use English in real-life situations, the more confident you'll become. Remember, speaking English is about communicating your thoughts and ideas. Don't worry about being perfect or using complex grammar. Focus on getting your message across clearly and simply. Start with short, easy sentences, and gradually build up to longer ones as you progress. The most important thing is to speak. Section 5. Making mistakes is okay. Learn from them. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning any language, so don't let them discourage you. In fact, mistakes can be valuable learning opportunities. When you make a mistake, don't be afraid to ask for clarification or correction. This helps you understand the correct way to say something and prevents you from repeating the same mistake in the future. View mistakes as stepping stones to fluency. Each time you identify and correct a mistake, you're one step closer to mastering the English language. Embrace the learning process and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Remember, even native English speakers make mistakes from time to time. The key is to learn from your errors and keep practicing. Over time, you'll find that you make fewer mistakes and communicate more effectively. Section 6. Listen and learn. It helps you grow. Listening is just as important as speaking when it comes to mastering English conversation skills. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words, use grammar, and structure their sentences. You can learn a lot by observing and imitating their patterns. Listen to English music, podcasts, and movies to immerse yourself in the language. Focus on understanding the overall meaning of what's being said, even if you don't catch every single word. As you listen, try to identify keywords and phrases that will help you follow the conversation. Don't be afraid to ask speakers to slow down or repeat themselves if you need clarification. Most people are happy to accommodate language learners. Active listening helps you expand your vocabulary, improve your pronunciation, and gain a better understanding of natural English conversation flow. Section 7. Practice makes perfect. Talk, talk, talk. The key to mastering any skill is consistent practice, and English conversation is no exception. The more you speak English, the more fluent and confident you'll become. Seek out every opportunity to engage in conversations, no matter how brief or informal. Talk to English-speaking friends, colleagues, or classmates. Join a language exchange group or online forum where you can practice with other learners. Even talking to yourself in English can be beneficial for practicing pronunciation and grammar structures. The important thing is to make English conversation a regular part of your routine. Don't be afraid to initiate conversations, ask questions, and share your thoughts and ideas. Remember, practice makes progress, and every conversation brings you closer to your goal of speaking English fluently. Section 8. Confidence is key. Believe in yourself. Believing in your ability to speak English is crucial for success. When you have confidence, you're more likely to take risks, overcome challenges, and persevere in your language learning journey. Remember that every English speaker was once a beginner, and they all faced similar challenges. Focus on your progress, no matter how small. Celebrate each milestone, whether it's mastering a new grammar rule, expanding your vocabulary, or holding a successful conversation. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and challenge yourself. The more you practice and see improvement, the more confident you'll become. Embrace every opportunity to use your English skills, and don't let fear hold you back. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your language learning goals. Section 9. English opens doors. Explore the world. Learning English opens up a world of opportunities for personal and professional growth. It enables you to communicate with people from diverse backgrounds, access a wider range of information and resources, and broaden your horizons. With English, you can travel to different countries, experience new cultures, and connect with people from all walks of life. You can pursue educational opportunities abroad, enhance your career prospects, and expand your business connections. The ability to communicate effectively in English is a valuable asset in today's globalized world. It allows you to bridge cultural divides, foster understanding, and build meaningful relationships with people from all corners of the globe. Embrace the power of English to unlock new possibilities and create a brighter future for yourself. Section 10. Keep going, you're doing great. Learning a new language is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges along the way, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Remember to be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and never give up on your goal of mastering English. Keep practicing your conversational skills, expanding your vocabulary, and improving your grammar. Embrace every opportunity to use English in real-life situations, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. The most important thing is to keep learning, growing, and challenging yourself. With dedication and perseverance, you will achieve your goal of speaking English fluently and confidently. So, keep up the great work, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to your destination.